You want to shade with powder, but you are not sure which brush to use. Should it be soft or stiff, small or big? Or maybe every time you use a brush, your shading ends up patchy. Well, don't worry, your boy is here to solve that problem for you. Now I'm gonna categorize the brushes based on their use, so you'll know exactly where to use each one. Because they don't all work the same way as you might have thought. We can categorize brushes in several ways. The ones we use are both art brushes, made for artists, and also makeup brushes. I have both, and I'll test them so you can clearly see the difference. First, let's compare the flat brush and the filbert brush. They're made of the same material, but not in this. The flat brush leaves a sharp edge, while the filbert brush gradually fades on the side of my hand. That's why we use the filbert for areas where shadows start dark in a small spot and slowly fade out. Now, let's compare a stiff brush with a soft one. See how much faster and darker the soft brush transfers the powder onto the paper? If you want to create heavy darkness, there's no reason to use a stiff brush. You'll have to move it too much and risk damaging the paper. So, save the stiff brush for lighter or medium tones. Now, look, I have two stiff brushes. Notice how the smaller one transfers darkness and much quicker. That means if you are a beginner, be careful. Small brushes can easily leave unwanted dark spots on your drawing. And finally, let's talk about the powder itself. Here I'm testing two different powders with the same brush. Now, look how different the results are. So apart from brush, your choice of powder also matters a lot in how dark your shade will be.